speak. Lord, please save me, the devil's trying to take my soul. Plead my cause, oh Lord, we be coming home. I'm in the dark, lead me to the light, oh Lord. Be my shield, lead me through the fight, oh Lord, I pray, yeah, pray. Lord, I pray, yeah, pray. Lord, I pray, yeah, pray. When the going get rough, you don't give up. When the dirty get tough, you don't give up. When it seems there's no way out, you don't give up. In your feet, you've lost your route, you don't give up. And though life's been hard, you don't give up. And it's still hard right now, you don't give up. Just to understand, friend, you don't give up. You keep fighting right till the end, you don't give up. Lord, please have mercy, yeah. Let's go.
can liberate the people over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe for a minute that they are with you. Jah free the people over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe for a minute they don't like you. Why try to make I unhappy? Really, I don't know. If it was up to them, my friend, we would never see the sun or the snow. Through that mystical communication within, we keep on coming together. I love to see brothers and sisters looking out for one another. That's the way it should be, not contrary. Stop tearing down each other. Only Rasta free the people over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe 1 minute that they are with you. Jah free the people over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe for a minute that they are with you. Our drugs don't do. You're just behaving like they want you to, yeah. I say arrogance is much different from ignorance, and I know you feel the same way too. Many live this life without having a clue. No reason why they are so sad and blue. Places to go, so much things to do. Not a moment to reflect on the cycle of life, yeah. Who free the people over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe for a minute that they are with you. Jah free the people over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe 1 minute they don't like you. It's hard, it's hard, it's hard, yeah. Make them know we want go home and we hard. It's hard, it's hard, it's hard. Let them know we want go home and we hard. It's hard, it's hard, it's hard, yeah. Let them know we want go home and we hard. It's hard, it's hard, it's hard. Oh God, we want go home. Only Rasta free the people over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe for a minute that they are with you. Jah free the people, those over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't dare believe 1 minute they don't like you. Why try to make I unhappy? I don't know. If it was up to them, my friend, we would never see the sun or the snow. Through that mystical communication within, we keep on coming together. And I love to see brothers and sisters looking out for one another. That is the way it should be, not contrary. Stop tearing down each other. Look around, who free the people over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe for a minute they don't like you. Jah free the people over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't dare believe 1 minute they don't like
Don't you where you come from? As long as you're a black man, you're an African. No